Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Jensen CMR2720 meshless car radio receiver and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now you might want to do this reset for a variety of reasons. If the radio receiver freezes, or if it's not connecting to Bluetooth, or if it's not responding, or if it's not syncing with your device, or if it's in any other way not working properly, a good troubleshooting step is to do a hard reset. Now this will restore the factory default settings, so you'll need to set it up again. But if you're ready to do that, it's quite easy. All you need is a pin or a pencil or something like that. Just make sure it's not too sharp that it will damage something. But you know, like one of those iPhone SIM ejector pins works really well. And what we're going to do is we're going to come over here, and it's a little bit hard to see, but it's here. You have your SD reader card, your SD slot here, and just to the right of it, you'll see a very small dot. And that is the reset button. So what you need to do is with the tip of your pen or a paper clip or whatever, just press and hold that button for a second or two, and that will initiate the reset of this receiver back to its factory default settings.